Hi, I'm Michael from NIOX Customer Service. Today, I'm going to show you how to obtain device details on the NIOX VERO. First, select the settings icon in the bottom right, then the NIOX device icon in the top right. Here you have all of your device details. On the left, you have the number of remaining tests on the device serial number, and the device expiry date. On the right, you have the sensor number of remaining tests, the sensor serial number, and the sensor expiry date. To find the breathing handle details, select the back arrow in the bottom left, the breathing handle icon in the bottom right. Here you have the number of remaining tests on the breathing handle and the breathing handle expiry date. The breathing handle has an expiry date to help maintain the accuracy of the NIOX VERO. I've been Michael from NIOX Customer Service. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.